Here's the front of the house. You can see the geothermal truck is here. See the shingles are on. You can see another geothermal truck. Going in. And we're gonna walk into the house. And this will probably get a little dizzy for you because I'm going to be looking at where I'm walking versus where the camera is going. It looks like the inside of the house has been basically framed out. There'll be some windows. Actually, here's the garage, which will be a nice size. This will be the pool. There'll be a deck out here. Looks like the master bedroom's all framed out.